Now let's go with our next segment, which is Fast Talk. Fast Talk starts now. Mario or Luigi?
Mario.
Console or desktop?
Desktop.
Controller or keyboard?
Keyboard.
Dream
Sorry.
game night guess kung sino yung gusto mo makasama pag naglalaro.
Pokemon?
Okay. First video game you owned?
Video game as in bala?
Oh.
Sorry.
Sige, sige, sige.
Final Fantasy Tactics.
Okay. Who's your favorite streamer?
Power Bank.
Okay. What's your most played game?
Most played game. PUBG.
What's
Mobile.
a game you truly suck at?
RTS, MMO.
Okay. What's your go-to snack when playing?
Chips.
Chips. Okay. In 2022, I will achieve blank through live streaming.
I can establish my community and be one of the talents.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that is good.